I'd like to give you a quick tutorial about how to install a new cylinder in the CryoTouch unit. Remove the dispenser from its holster and pull the trigger. It'll run a system check and show you that you don't have enough time to do a treatment or there's 0 time remaining. Take the new cylinder. You'll notice that there is an area that is marked for you to use to register a new tank. Pull the trigger, you'll notice a red light comes on telling you you need a new tank. Put it up close to the tank and pull the trigger. You'll see the light change from red to white and register the new tank now with the CryoTouch unit. Place the dispenser back in its holster, remove the yellow cap, and you'll see that the cylinder fits only one way. And let's turn it around so you can see what's happening here. You're going to screw down the new cylinder until it's snug and fully seated against the valve. You're going to flip up the lever below to lock it in, and now you're set to do 12 treatments. The next time you need a new cylinder, you're going to follow the same pattern.